While the total shutdown in Alexandra here in Johannesburg is expected to continue on Thursday, residents took to the streets over poor service delivery issues, bringing the township to a standstill.
They accuse the City of Johannesburg of neglecting them.
This Alexandra protest coincides with election fever that's hit the country in recent weeks. Politicians seeking votes from these residents will have to promise to resolve their grievances.
We're not Alexandra, we need service delivery.
Right at the moment, here at 8th Avenue, we've got fire station, but when there is fire, we phone them, they will tell you this and this and this and this.
Motorists were forced to use alternative routes. Some were caught in the crossfire, and police seemingly outnumbered. At the heart of the protest, land grabs and lack of service delivery. Residents accuse the DA-led City of Johannesburg of turning a blind eye to their complaints. They say land invasions are rife here, and these are some of the houses they claim have been built illegally.
The issue of mushroom of illegal structures is number one. People continually call JMPD come and just take photos and leave. And these people continue to build. Mind you, you can imagine there's no infrastructure services, there's no electricity, there's no water.
Homeowners in neighboring Marlborough are also crying foul. Jeff Yende has lived here for 13 years.
Baka every day.
They build here every day, and our calls for help have been ignored. Even the value of our houses is depreciating. In fact, most houses lost value here.
Calls for calm by the MMC for public safety were rejected by enraged residents. Instead, calling for the mayor.
I can show you this. The mayor will be here. And the agreement, and I certainly do not want to renege on that agreement with the leadership of the community. We said that we will be engaging with the one ward councillor they've nominated to set the program.
These scenes, residents say, will continue on Thursday. They vow to intensify their shutdown until the Johannesburg mayor comes to address them. They also want to sit down with the Gauteng Premier David Makhura about their grievances. Mangoba Mchunu, SABC News in Alexandra.